Hello, colonels. The lecture today we are going to record is lecture number 7th or 8th, and today the date is 16th of August. Okay, yesterday was Independence Day. That was a great auspicious day to start something, but I wouldn't do anything. Yeah, so the time is near about 6 p.m. only. We have got to know about these things which I have written here on this whiteboard. Yeah, we learned to create a basic resume template, and this must be created in Google. Sorry, yeah, you can create it in Google. Go to Google, there go to Chrome, there go to New tab, and there new here there you can see this symbol 9 dots where it contains Google applications, and in one of that application there is Docs. Right, click on this and you will find out a already prepared professional resume template. There you just need to add your own details. You don't need to edit anything. Like, right, just the sections like hours. If you have not achieved anything, any award, then that section you may need to delete. Just this simple editing, and the things which are required are need to mention there. Right. Okay. So basically, today this was about resume, so that you can at least start to build it. Today I am going to explain about my own application that I'm going to launch on the Play Store. You can access it using Play Store, download it from there. Yeah, but still it's under construction. First, let me uh, introduce you with the idea. Okay, like what kind of application will it be? Basically, uh, in the initial stage, there will be simple basic functions. The app using .NET or Java. Currently, I am working on .NET. In future, may I? It means it is the possibility that I could switch to Java because of its great security features. Right. So here I will design its front end, back end, database. Okay. For front end, I will use Bootstrap and Angular or Angular JS. For backend, I may use .NET or Java, right? And for database, I will use SQL. And when the app will, what we can say that when it will, when it will be widely used over all over the globe, you can say our nation or in the area like where it becomes difficult to store the data using the SQL database. Then after that, I may switch the database to NoSQL, right? So that's basically how it would create. And the first thing which I am learning into my college journey, the last year, that to create anything, to start to build anything in this coding field, like maybe it would be application, website, or whatever. We first need to create SRS plus BRS. BRS is business requirement specifications. SRS is software requirement or system requirement specifications. Basically, these are not the concepts which are taught in the college. I mean to say, these are not only the concepts which are taught in the college, but actually these are used in the company to help to build a project, to build anything, to create anything. So because of this only, we can move ahead to the next step to build front end, back end database. So this will be the initial step. Like what will the requirements? Like we'll gather our requirements. So requirement gathering comes in these two stages. Now, developer, like suppose we are a developer, we are doing code on hand on in the machine. There, some requirements are gathered. So this will be the system requirements. This will be for developers. For us, we will study this. Okay, and this part will be for business purpose. So we can call it like this documentation is for maybe CEOs, managers, right? So that they can understand it very well. But usually, here I may create some kind of confusion. Let me give you some more info. So from that you can create your own beliefs regarding these two concepts. Yes, sir. Is software requirement specifications. Here is business requirement specifications. Right. Basically, who prepares these two? There is a system analyst who prepares these two things because system analyst actually uh, he's he can be also called as data analyst because he's doing the task of analyzing like these are the documents, and whatever things written in this document are will be analyzed by the system analyst, and also in these things will be analyzed by the coders or developers. And then after, like I am a system analyst, then I will analyze the documents and I will tell the developer that you need to prepare this, that developer team you need to prepare this. And similarly, after analyzing business requirement specifications, these are for actually uh, yes, these CEOs and manager level, they will have an eye into it. But according to my understanding, this is for customer or client or user, right? Because there will be some kind of implementation of marketing strategies. uh, like we have to widen our business, we have to grow our business. So for that purpose, customer, client, users requirements are there. What do they require? So from that, how the software should be built and the marketing strategy related to the software is going to build is going to be. So it depends on Business requirement specifications. What specifications means? थोडकं नेमकं नेमकं काय पाहिजे. Requirement gathering. Requirement means what do you need, and for business. So उसका business बनाना है, उसको पैसे कमाना है. We want money. Yeah. So business means actually there so must be some source of income. So to generate that, there are a requirement gathering through BRS and through SRS. SRS software requirement specification. This is for business to earn income, and this is for developers to build that exact software. What's the need of the client? Like I am the client and you are a developer. I will tell. I will not directly tell you. There will be someone in between. System analyst is in between. I will tell my requirements, like my software must be this, my software must be that, my software must be how ऐसे होना चाहिए वैसे होना चाहिए मेरा software, and these specifications will be told to system analyst. System analyst will analyze the specifications all, like there will be the list of specifications. He will analyze everything, and then he will rewrite that document into the well formatted way so that developers can understand easily and they can work on it, like you developer, like any developer, right? Yeah. So this was all for today. The lecture might be big. There are so many things to tell, but it's difficult to watch continue online, right? It will be recorded in the tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.